A joule, abbreviated J, is the standard international unit of energy, work, and heat. It essentially measures the amount of energy that is transferred or used in a particular process. Surge suppressors, which are sometimes referred to as surge protectors, are devices designed to safeguard electronic equipment from potentially damaging voltage spikes and surges. These suppressors work by absorbing any excess electrical energy and safely diverting it to ground. The joule rating that's assigned to a surge suppressor is an indication of its capacity for energy absorption, telling you how much energy it can handle before it potentially fails. The reason joules are the preferred unit for rating surge suppressors is because they directly represent the amount of energy that the suppressor is capable of absorbing. Simply put, a surge suppressor with a higher joule rating can handle larger surges and provide better protection. Watts and volt-amperes, or VAR, are both units used to measure electrical power, but while they aren't directly related to joules, they can provide some indirect insight into a surge suppressor's overall capacity. The wattage rating of a surge suppressor typically indicates its continuous power handling capability. If a surge suppressor has a higher wattage rating, it can handle more power without the risk of overheating. VA represents what is known as apparent power, which takes into account both active and reactive power in a circuit. A surge suppressor with a higher VA rating is generally better equipped to handle inductive or capacitive loads. When choosing a surge suppressor, you need to consider several factors to determine the appropriate joule rating for your specific needs. Firstly, consider the equipment requirements. Evaluate the power requirements of all the devices you intend to protect with the surge suppressor. Secondly, consider your location. If you live in an area that is prone to frequent or severe electrical disturbances, it is generally recommended to opt for surge suppressors with higher joule ratings. Thirdly, consider the importance of the equipment. If the devices you are protecting are particularly valuable or critical to your operations, it is wise to choose a surge suppressor with a high joule rating for enhanced protection. Always remember that, as a general rule, higher joule ratings typically signify better protection against power surges. Also, keep in mind that surge suppressors should be replaced after they have experienced a significant surge event to ensure that they continue to provide adequate protection. Finally, it's always a good practice to carefully consult the manufacturer's specifications and guidelines to select the most appropriate surge suppressor for your specific applications and needs.